Hello viewers, welcome back to again our channel. Today we're crafting journey where we explore the beauty of jute craft and the magic of bottle decorate recycling. Jute, often called the golden fiber, is one of the most versatile and eco-friendly material in the world. Where combined with the recycling everything bottles, it creates a stunning, budget-friendly and sustainable home decoration. In this video, we will talk about the benefits of jute craft and creative possibilities with the recycled bottles and how we create help in mindfulness, sustainability, and even small business opportunities. Jute craft is the art of using natural jute fibers or ropes are designed to beautiful and functional items. The natural texture of jute given any craft projects are rustic and earthy charms. It blends well with wood glass and even fabric. When we use jute for wrapping bottles, making candle holders, or design well hanging, we not only create stunning decoration but also embrace a more eco-conscious lifestyle. Empty bottles often end up in the trash, creating unnecessary waste, but with a little imagination and jute rope, these bottles can be transformed into elegant decorations. For example, wrap a wine bottle completely in jute and decorate it with bows or beads to create it a rustic vase. Cover a jar with jute rope and add candle inside for a cozy London effects. Decorate glass bottle with a jute and sensational ornaments for festive centerpiece. This is not only reduce waste but also give a second life to something that might have been thrown away. Let's dive deeper into the benefits. First one is eco-friendly. Jute is biodegradable and sustainable. Using it in craft helps reduce plastic and synthetic decor items. Recycling purpose: instead of throwing bottles away, you are transform them into a useful and decorative item. Jute rope is inexpensive and old bottles are free, making this one of the most affordable crafting projects. Bottle fit perfectly is rustic farmhouse and even modern interiors. Slow wrapping of the jute around a bottle is thing reduces stress and improves focus. You learn patience, design, technical techniques, and attention to detail. Design detail and handcrafting. Handmade jute bottle decorate makes for thoughtful personalized gifts. Creative: these crafts can be sold online in gift shops or at a local market. Here are some beautiful design ideas you can try. Festive bottles wrapped with jute and decorate with holly leaves, Christmas ornaments, or ribbons. Place fairy lights inside a jute wrap bottles for warm lighting. Use a different wrapping style, cypress knot or braids for variety. Attach several decorating bottles or wooden planks to create rustic wall art. Combine jute bottle with